Oh boy, I think the last episode was one of the best I've seen so far, so let's see what happens. It looks like a hospital. We lost Himeno. Rest in peace. We'll see. Aki's reaction, maybe? Is Aki here? With the ambience. Against other, like, humans or like devil hunters. Yeah. Unknown. Is Aki with his hair down? Okay, he should always keep his hair down. Oh, their roles have reversed. Remember? Aki was cutting apples last time, and now it's Power and Denji. Oh, this so Aki woke up? Manga, what is that? Relinquish the apple. That sounds old-fashioned. Wow, that's what happened to Power. Kobeni. The classes, but he quit, right? Kobeni though, like, did you see her last episode? Yeah, he quit. Classes guy, by the way. Powie. Aki's really depressed, dude. One apple. Why the fuck did you stole all of his apples? Damn. Really poetic, you know, Himeno's life. Aki kinda looks like Himeno, a little bit. Oh. Oh man. Fuck. Aki's gonna die in 2 years. Damn. Wow. Oh, like time like stopped. No. Oh shit. I wonder if he quit smoking now because he learned, like, he got the habit from Himeno, right? Oh man, poor guy. Come on, Denji. Have some empathy. Yeah. I think his like emotional and social like state is stunted because, you know, his childhood, he never went to school or anything, so he's a very complicated person where his emotions are not like normal. But he won't cry. Damn. There was a moment of Denji like going down basically like not really a rabbit hole, but going down his emotions, and you can see like his growth has been stunted, especially emotions and social interactions. Ah. Oh, hello. From the public safety. If I was living here, like not living, but if I was in the hospital and they had the clock making sound like that, it would piss me the fuck off. Tick, tick, tick,
私たちマキマさんに頼まれて、そのリンゴを食べていいですか？
I'm glad they're back. No! Okay.
テル事件と今回ので、デンジ君が敵勢力に狙われていることが分かった。
After Boshta. That's my theory.
だから4課を強化しようと思ったんだけど。
Sorry, Bochita. Sorry, Bochita. They're making fun of me. I said Boshta in one of the episodes. Bochita. No, the Kyoto division. I love her voice. Two teachers? No? Oh. Is this the blonde guy who was with Himeno? That's Himeno's grave, right? Hello. Mentor teacher character introduced in episode 10? We have 2 episodes left? Oh. Pay respects. Love his voice so much. Sheesh. What is Power gonna say? Wow. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Are those the answers you wanted to hear? I think those are like one of a kind. Nobody's ever said that to each and every one of them. Damn. First time getting full points. Nice scar, bro. I like this car already, dude. Yo! Oh. The Holy Trinity. What do you do that for? Part of the training. No, he just fucking hugs them too heavy, man. You actually made them pass out. What? So he actually did broke their neck. Like fully break their neck. So their like health potion is blood. Just checking you out, I guess. Yep. Toughen you up into a tank. Wow, I love this card that he did. Okay, okay. Wow. That's one way to do training. Is full on serious, by the way. I wonder what contract he has. I'm looking for like body parts that's missing, but I can see a huge ass scar on his mouth. He probably has a contract too, no? Nice teamwork. This training is insane. Just keep feeding them blood so they get up and okay. No, you can never beat him at this point, dude. You're in the new strategy. They still feel pain, right? Mostly immortal. Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, talented. I'm not sure about him anymore, man. Damn, the sound of them like gargling, gargling on blood and it just fucking gives me a chill down the spine. Oh, I see. But you had a contract, no? Oh, that's so yeah, remember? 2 years left. I didn't know he had only so little left, by the way. 2 years.
今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど、君の課の人が一人民間に
Oh, Megane, the glasses guy.
続けるで、それなりの覚悟を君にはしてもらう。
覚悟
Oh, oof.
そう覚悟公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか公安続けて地獄を見るか
2 years is not enough time, man. Time to everybody to get revenge, right?
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる
They have matching scar. I have never seen something more badass than that, by the way.
なのになんでやめるんですか
Exactly, yeah. I feel so bad for Aki though. You can see his eyes are just
そうですか
dead.
わかりました京都先輩の言葉はほんまでしたわ得意科にはまともなやつはいい品から気をつけろってね
Okay,
もうちょっ
buddy.
と自分を客観的に見た方がいいですよ女性のお客さん来てますよ
Not Makima. They won't say lady if it was Makima. Who is this? Aunt? Sister? Mom? Someone survived in your family? Your immediate family? Looks like it, right? Same hair color and everything. Even though, like, you know, Japanese people have all the same hair, but unless it's colored. Interesting. Yeah. Damn, Aki. Okay. I wanna see more. Full moon. It's just training in the fucking cemetery, by the way. Oh, Pahor and Denji are, look like they're beat, you know? They're traumatized a little bit from this training. Not gonna lie. Oh my god. It looks like his brain is... yeah. Dude gave him brain damage. Holy fucking shit, this training is hard. And they can probably feel all the pain as well, right? Because when they're like, oh god, they just don't keep going, they fall on the ground and breathe heavy like they're in pain. That might have worked. And to give him some more blood. Yeah, it worked. He actually had brain damage. What?
俺は今日何回殺された
正確にはわからん
Hell on earth, literally.
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくねえ
Yeah,
楽しくな
don't
るため
say.
に頑張ってきたのに楽しくなくて頑張るのはクソだ今度こそ本当に俺たちは悪魔扱いじゃね
Yeah. And it's gonna start come in the morning, then we start all over again.
俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ
True.
ど
True.
んどんマジ
True, good
でム
comparison.
カついてきたぜ
Good comparison.
何が
あいつを倒す方法じゃ酒で頭がダメになって
Our spirits is in sake.
わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ
Might be a genius as well in planning, you know?
俺も
Not
最
only
近
strong.
めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ頭いいキャラ見
Ah.
て戦えたらいいな
Exactly. Not a brute force, make a
頭脳であいつを
plan.
ぶっ殺すか100個思いついたぞ
二つの頭脳が合わさっちまったらよ逆に負ける方がむずいんじゃねえか
Two heads better than one.
わしらが遊んでやるわ
I don't know about like your heads, but usually that's the case, you know? Aki's house.
この血の匂いは
Oh, immediately starting off. Nice glasses.
俺たちの日常を壊
Are they pretending to be like smart main characters from manga?
すやつは
That's why they wear the glasses? I think so. They're role playing, dude.
超インテリ作戦開始じゃ
In public, by the way. I remember, he's human. So you can actually... Oh my god, nice fucking reaction time. Damn, that was insane. I remember, he's human, so if you actually kill him, he dies for real. He's the strongest. I can see that now. Drop the fucking thing. See that? Are you proud? Oh, they have blood stocked up there. He's using his fist to destroy them, by the way. And this thing are no joke, they're hard and sharp. Damn, the glasses. Wow. What a fucking chat this guy is. Dead. That kid killed him. No. That was really good plan too, man. Wow. He's proud a little bit.
今回の敗因は2つ の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧血
Okay,
になる
big
こと
weapon was too big.
俺は飲みに行く
Okay, go try.
もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
Because it was a very high effort, man. Imagine if a guy is baiting you, man. Just one death. Wow. Just give us some blood, so we can fucking come back.
の言葉を信用する
Oh, he's not actually going out for drinks, dude. I thought it was just like a last hit and then he's going out. Damn, dude. We need to become the predators. Oh, that sounds wrong.
結構むごい契約内容になると
Yeah,
思うん
like
です
a
け
hand
ど
or a arm or arm
俺たち
or
は
a
アキ君を
leg.
いじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ。
君は
Shirt
仕事に
contract.
復帰したら
Oh, the sound of pipes. Oh. Whoever did the sound design needs like
ここに
a...
は公安が生け捕りにした
award.
悪魔たちがぶち込まれてる。
Oh. Devils are treated as objects and weapons.
昨日の美人、彼女さんですか？
No.
すぐそういう話
So
やめ
that means it's around Aki's age, right? That girl.
妹の方です。
Oh, Himeno's sister.
じゃあ殴られました
Oh.
いえ、
What does that even mean?
手紙をもらいました。
手紙
Oh.
それは私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙です。あなたが読むべきなのでお渡しします。
Is that feeling any? Oh my god. Ah. Damn. Damn. Himeno had strong feelings for Aki.
アキ君は契約してもらいます。
108 or what was that? That probably symbolizes something, right? It's, I know it's the room number, but I feel like it's more deep.
アキ君は契約しても。イルンは未来の悪魔。
Future
公安
devil.
でこいつと契約している人は2人。
That sounds like ambiguous. Like, what does that mean? What's the
一人は寿
power?
命半分、嗅覚を差し出しています。
Both their eyes.
じゃあ、どうぞ。
If they take away half the lifespan, does that devil get the lifespan instead? They're like... oh, he's locked in. Literally. The idea of like contracts is really interesting, by the way. Future, what that can mean. I don't think it's anything to do with time travel that will like be paradoxical, but... oh, creepy. Oh, okay, let's DD. Ooh, dogs. Wow, okay, this ED was very artistic. The what's it called? The art style and the like the camera shot of like having a POV of Denji running and seeing it through Denji's eyes was amazing. Yeah, damn. It's like we're seeing Denji's nightmare in motion. Anyway, great fucking episode. Also, I really loved because we saw the cursed devil here. So every time he uses his sword, he loses lifespan. We know that from before, but we didn't know he only has like 2 years left, right? So how much does one use take? How much of the lifespan does one use take? We don't know, right? It can be like 1 year per use, but how many times has he actually used it? Also, him and his sister visited Aki, and we saw more like Himeno's thoughts that we were guessing like previous episodes. And yeah, it seems that she wanted to quit with Aki, and she couldn't quit. She died before quitting. So yeah, and then we meet the teacher guy who apparently is the strongest from Division 1, and she at least 20 times. It wasn't confirmed, by the way, but you know, Power does think he did 20 times at least, the minimum. And then it's just they can use blood to reheal, and this is literally like training to them. Literally, what's blood, sweat, and tears, and death, literally, right? And here are probably just attacking every time they woke up and stuff, and then the brain damage thing was insane. By the way, I never expected something like that to be in anime, but yeah, it's very deep and like gory and anime. So yeah, but here they are pretending to be like manga characters who are really smart, and they made a really good plan. They even got a little like compliment, not really a compliment, but like not bad, And then he says like, "Oh, I'm gonna go drink. It's over for the day," and then never trust your predator, or like because they are the prey, right? Predator just sounds wrong. And then Aki is gonna do a contract with the future devil. Now, future can mean a lot of things, right? The eye seems really interesting. Low key looks like Makima's eyes. So we know that two people have it also. We don't know who they are, but one of them traded their lifespan, half of it, another person taste, smell, senses, and also both of their eyes. Which I see an eye, so does their like eye get replaced with this eye? So maybe Makima has contract with the future devil. Does Makima have no sense of taste and smell? Is that why she can drink so much and not get drunk? I don't think that's related, but yeah. And you can see like a reflection of Aki there as well. That's so cool. Anyway, I'll see you in episode 11. We have 2 episodes left, and then we have the movie. I'm trying to finish it this week, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.